what are the most common ones? So pretty much, we as a users, for example, we're working on a application that's catering for sales and marketing, like Airtable, for example. And for example, if I'm a salesperson, sometimes I want to hide details of a form that I want to see. For example, I don't want to see, if I'm not a sale, I don't want to see commission or so. So we want to, pretty much the most simple ones would be on change or my button click or a page load, I want to do something. And then they follow, like these events are followed by actions, which can be show or hide elements or regions on a page. They can be enable or disable elements or regions. It can be set values, and probably the most common ones, refresh reports. These are pretty much self-explanatory, so I won't go into too many details on it. Next one that comes up usually is, and what confuses, so that's the first row of people have questions about reports, right? What is an event scope? Pretty much an event scope is the file and elements on the page that have a partial page refresh property. And I mentioned reports. This is pretty much, you're going to encounter this problem when you're working with reports if you're not careful enough. I mean, even inexperienced people do get these glitches. But if you look at the advanced property on the right, there's an event scope which can be static, dynamic, or once. And we're going to do a demo that's going to showcase which ones are, like when to use which one. Right?